Got my list. I had to go and get my list because Mr. Producer keeps forgetting what I'm doing. And he's like, dude, we have a list. Yes. I'm not forgetting, you're forgetting. Yeah. So we've hung the washing out on the white channel. Check. The next one is feeding the birds on the pink channel. This is where we are. Yes. The next one will be cleaning the toilet over on my OnlyFans free. Then doing my bedroom on OnlyFans. Boys' room on the main OnlyFans. Girls' room, OnlyFans free. Bathroom, I had to put my knickers in to wash, so the bathroom will have to wait till they're dry. Same with the inner hall and the outer hall. And then I've got parcel swim box. I'm gonna go feed the birds now. But you were gonna put it in the hot tub then, weren't you? You was gonna ruin my list and put it in the hot tub. You thought the lid was on. Yeah, don't lean back. You'll be in. Don't lean back. Alright, there's a fat pigeon. So let's go feed the birds. Feed the birds. The birds above. The birds. The birds. The birds above. And then, go on. We let me get a bit closer, wasn't it? I think the coconuts had it, getting the coconut out. Peanuts. Sunflower seeds. What are we putting in that one? I've got some new things in my Amazon parcels I want to put out, so I don't really want to put anything in there yet. Because I've got new things to put out. Yeah. Oh, we need a knife for the peanut bag. I need to go and get my cutter. I'll be back, so see you in a second. I can't get in the peanut bag. I can't get in the peanut bag. I got a little hole. Did it? We're in. For it. Peanut bowl. Wow, fresh peanuts. Push it back now. It's like the heaviest box out of them both. Ta-da! Not bad. We only wasted about 4, 5, 6, 9, 20, 21. Sorry. I don't like doing this. It's too much of a faff. Every time. And I don't understand why it's empty. Oh, that's why. Because they've managed to undo it from the bottom. So when it's dropped on the floor, the screws have got in it. The little nutters. Try and make them work for the food, you know, and it doesn't work. We'll see what that does. Y is a lot stronger than I am. Are we ready? Close it up best as we can. There we go. Yeah, we need to get another one. But for now, it's all we've got. So, yeah, the peanuts are full on tables and everything. Seed next. Seed, beautiful seed. They really like this seed. Definitely better than the B&M one. The B&M one took forever to go down because we just weren't eating it. This one, they're eating it. Right, sunflower seeds and a coconut. I haven't been eating the balls a lot. You know, the round balls. I nearly lost the whole bag on the floor then. Just making all that noise. It's like I give them a 3-course dinner. You're looking at me like I'm a complete and utter weirdo, Mr. Producer. I don't mind. I like spending my money on my birds. Right, is that bag empty? Will you hold that, please? Thanking you. Right, just the coconut here. Put that one down there. And we'll put a fresh one up there. Working on that. Last coconut. Last coconut. Am I having that or are you keeping it? Right, so we refilled. So thank you for joining me in feeding my birds. You know how much I love them and I love to watch them from my desk and everything. So we can check this one off my list now, can't we? So the next thing we're doing is we're going to go and clean the toilet for my OnlyFans free. Yes. No, I ain't got no knickers on. So that one, it won't matter. This producer's been filming very carefully for this one, and the other one, yes, but OnlyFans free, and the main OnlyFans, it won't matter. So yes, thank you for joining me. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Find me on my Facebook at official Adelesexyuk. Come and check out my OnlyFans, naughty, $10 and freebie. I love you all. Goodbye.